Hello friends, today I will show you how we can ping multiple IP addresses at once, and also see all network IP pings with one click. So friends, let's get started without delay. First, open Notepad from the computer's start menu, then write your IP address in Notepad as I am writing it. Once you have written all your IP addresses, type ping.bat and save. Be sure to save all files. This time, right-click on your saved file and select Run as administrator, and you will be able to see your desired ping in no time. Of course, if you like the work, don't forget to like and comment. Friends, thank you all.